Hey guys, so excited to be back with YouTube. We've got some exciting things planned for you. And the first, we're kind of starting a new segment because Mom has a huge project going on at her house. I mean, you can tell we're in the desert, can't you? And this is totally Phoenix. These houses are stereotypical, cactus, stucco, all that goodness. So let's go head over to Mom so we can show you the whole project. Actually, here we are now.
Aloha!
Hey, Mama.
Welcome.
Thank you.
How are ya?
Good.
Good.
Well, you guys, here's her house. Perfect, stereotypical Arizona house.
Yes, I love it. I love the stucco and the desert colors. You know, I'm home. This is
I'm glad she loves it so much. The inside is also very Arizona, so come take a look. Well, Mom, you want to tell them the big project?
Yeah, look at this. You can see the floors. So as you're walking in, you know, this is an open floor plan house, but the tiles are, well, they don't go with the laminate for sure.
They're both original to the house.
Yeah, so it's really confusing. You walk in and you're like, okay, you know, right away you're hit with two floors. Very confusing.
These floors are very Southwest, and you actually love these floors. Well, maybe a love-hate relationship.
Yeah, I did when I first, you know, saw them, but they're a bear to clean. I mean, they got these little divots where all the dirt just kind of hides, and the grout.
Thick grout that's light colored. You just can't keep it clean. I do love the mosaic, but I think we just got to get rid of it all.
Yeah, it's time.
So, Mom, you actually have 4 different floorings in this house, and you can see 3 of them right here in one spot. So what's the plan? What are you going to do?
We're going to tear out all the flooring and put in luxury vinyl planks.
LVP, baby.
Woohoo!
So you chose one that really looks like hardwood. It feels like it too. It has that nice texture and grain on it.
Yeah.
And all wood flooring everywhere, because this is just a ranch style home, 1 story. So everything will feel much more cohesive.
Yes. And our LVP has a 50-year guarantee, so it's going to outlive me.
This is not sponsored. So you chose LVP, which is going to look great. What color did you choose?
Well, that's the problem. With the white floor, we kind of went hog wild when we moved in here. We have so many different colors going on. We have dark woods, we have white cabinets, we have, I don't know how many different colors of paint.
Can you see all the paint colors just from where you're standing right now?
Oh my gosh. And even our kitchen cabinets are kind of an orange color. So I couldn't find anything that would work. So I called a friend. She's an interior designer, and thank you, Karen, for coming to help. It's been wonderful.
Yeah, so you chose a great color, but because it doesn't go with anything, what does that mean? The problem kind of snowballed. The project snowballed.
Yes, the good thing about designers is they have a lot of great ideas. The bad thing about interior designers, it's gonna cost you.
Right, so the first thing you're gonna do is literally paint almost every wall in this house. So it's all the same, but then the kitchen cabinets don't work anymore either. So we're gonna have to paint the kitchen cabinets, and the baseboards are wimpy. So all new baseboards.
We need all new baseboards, and we had to paint the new baseboards.
It'll be fine. It'll be great.
Here is a sample of our new wall color. And I know it's very neutral, but it's gonna look good.
And it's gonna look really good because the cabinets are not gonna be so neutral. So stay tuned to see what that color is gonna be. And this whole project is gonna be multiple months in the making. So tune in next month to see the progress we've made. But before then, we have a special furniture flip project coming at you real soon. Aloha!